Guys, there's literally a little cockroach. Look, bro. Look. Why is there a freaking ladybug thingy? Why is there something moving? Ano papunta na sila dito? Bakit? Ano bang ginagawa ni Dadod? Okay, guys. This is the perfect time to bottle flip.
Kung kasi kaso na, magtututbrush naman yun. Ay, hindi ka magtututbrush? Magtututbrush lang. Kakaligo lang yan.
How twice in a row? How twice? Twice in a row. Twice. One. Oh, man. Oh, God. Oh, God. One. Oh, God. May manood tayo ng Cobra Prince. Ahas. Oh! One! One! Two! No! One! Two! One! Two! One! Two! One! Two! First second try ever.